2 digital marketing giants, but only one can rule your inbox. Which one really delivers? On the left, GetResponse, the Swiss Army knife of digital marketing. On the right, Moosend, email simplicity delivered. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
Here's a quick visual of what we're covering today. We've got price, features, ease of use, automation tools, integrations, and of course, customer support, all mapped out. Think of this as our cheat sheet to keep things organized as we compare these two. Okay, let's kick things off with price. First, GetResponse. It packs in a lot of features, but honestly, that comes at a higher entry price. Their pricing is kinda complex too, so you might find yourself squinting at those tier charts. Rich features, yes, but you'll be paying for them. Now for Moosend. This one's, well, way more wallet-friendly. Their pricing is straightforward, like what you see is what you pay. It's honestly perfect if you're running a tight budget, or you just hate price surprises. You lose out on some advanced features, sure, but for most, it's a bargain. So, who wins on price? Hands down, that's Moosend. Next up, features. GetResponse is like the Swiss Army knife here. You get powerful email automation, landing pages, even webinars and chats. Basically, it's got more tools than you can shake a stick at. Oh, and you can run paid ads and push notifications too. Downside? It can take a while to get comfortable with all these options. Moosend, though, is the minimalist in the room. There's a drag and drop builder and solid automation for emails. Personalized recommendations too, so it's not basic, but no transactional emails and no advanced stuff like webinars. For features, GetResponse totally takes the cake. All right, let's talk ease of use. GetResponse kinda throws everything at you in its dashboard. It's central and organized, and they have webinars to help you learn, but honestly, it's a bit much for newbies at first. You'll need a few days to feel at home. Moosend, though, is super user-friendly. If you want to click, drag, send, and get on with your day, this is your vibe. Starting campaigns is actually fun. There are some occasional bugs, and advanced marketers might eventually feel limited, but overall, the experience is smooth as butter. Winner in ease of use? That's Moosend. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Moosend's mascot is literally a cow that sends emails? I mean, who comes up with this stuff? It's quirky, but memorable. And let's be honest, a bit of fun never hurts marketing. Moving on to automation, GetResponse flexes here for sure. We're talking workflows, webhooks, time delays, conditional logic, the works. If big automation is your thing, it's got you covered. But I'll be real, this can feel a little much for small businesses. Moosend keeps automation simple but smart. Triggers, segmentation, all easy to set up. It's got variety, just not the same level of power or customization that GetResponse offers. Yep. GetResponse is the master here, but Moosend holds its own if you only need the basics. Let's jump to integrations. GetResponse? Pretty solid, 65 plus. All the usual suspects in marketing, CRM, and e-com. You'll find what you need most likely. But Moosend, okay, wow, 85 integrations. Tons of e-commerce and analytics options. If your workflow is stacked with tools, this seriously makes it easy. So integrations winner? That's Moosend. And finally, support. GetResponse goes all in. 24/7 email, chat, phone, even Slack. And dedicated customer managers. That's pretty epic. If you hit a snag at 2 a.m., someone could actually help you. Moosend has live chat, tons of video and knowledge-based content, but no phone support. Sometimes you just want to talk to a real person, you know? For support, GetResponse pulls ahead here. So let's visualize this. Imagine a radar chart mapping out all our categories. You can see GetResponse spiking on features, automation, and support. Moosend shoots ahead with price, ease of use, and integrations. Pretty snazzy, huh? All right, so here's my honest take. If you're growing fast and need a monster suite for marketing automation, like webinars, landing pages, the works, GetResponse is your powerhouse. On the other hand, if you want something simple, don't want to fuss with a complicated dashboard, and like saving your dollars, Moosend is absolutely the move. Both strong picks, depending on where your business is at. Enjoyed this comparison? Don't forget to hit follow for more deep dives into digital marketing tools. Trust me, we've got lots more coming your way.